coming from a beautiful place called Haflong and proudly representing my community called Zeli. And today I'm standing in front of you all to show my confidence and to inspire you as a model. When it comes to my hobbies, I'm a person that loves to do cooking, moreover listening to music and traveling. And when it comes to my aim in life, I aspire to become a successful lawyer one day. Who loves to motivate people by guiding what I've already learned in my life. So I encourage each and every one of that, believe in yourself, be confident, as confidence is the biggest key and the biggest weapon in our life to achieve and accomplish anything in our life. Thank you.
Happiness movement is the best district memories in one life. Hello, everyone. My contestant number is 2. At first, I would like to thank God because of His grace we all are able to congregate here in this beautiful diverse Indian pressure meet. And secondly, I would like to thank the member and honorable chief guests and artist and beautiful people who have come first at this event. I am myself Zeliangrong from Zeliangrong village district, Zeliangrong. I am currently pursuing BA in History Honors. And my hobbies is studying, and playing, fitness, and whatever. And that's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected judges, and all the beautiful people that is present here today to look at me. My name is Zeliangrong. You can all call me Jeffrey Mike. I belong to Yangmai community. Well, I guess I'm the only Yangmai boys that is representing here. So I'll be representing for all the handsome Yangmai boys today. From Infal DM College in the field of education. Well, currently I'm in the city of Guwahati trying to pursue a career. I desire to become an army officer someday.
Yes, very good.
If not, underground. Listen music and hang out with boys.
Surrounded by the beautiful mountains and natures called Mandal in the district Manipur. And I'm currently pursuing my diploma course of fashion designing in Northeast Institute of Fashion Technology. And in my free times, I love altering my clothes, and I also enjoy gardening, and I also enjoy listening to music. And my dream is to become a fashion designer and start my own clothing boutique. And the reason I chose to be a fashion designer is because I love the design, and it gives me the freedom to design and unleash my creativity. And it also allows me to express myself more creatively. And the feeling of creating something I love and beautiful is just like nothing else. It's just the best feeling ever. And yes, every day is a step closer to my dream. Thank you.
Hello. Came from a beautiful village of Benru, Nagaland. I came to Guwahati for pursuing my NEET coaching, so my sights are set on a career in the medical field. My hobbies are playing football with my friends. Though not being a really good player, I really enjoy playing with them, having time with them. And as for my aim in life is to become a doctor. It is a very challenging path, but I'm determined to give it my all. And I chose this profession not only to help and save those people, but also becoming the first doctor in my family and make my parents proud. Thank you.
Beauty shines from within, so beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Good evening, Guwahati! Respected judges, to my beauty kings and queens in the backstage, to my brothers and sisters of Zeliangrong, and to all the beautiful people present here. I, Arkel and 20 years of age, coming from a beautiful and historical village, P1. Currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts in Literature at St. Joseph College, Jakama, Nagaland. As a hobby, I love dancing and traveling, and I aspire to become a great performer because from a very young age, I love performing in front of new crowds, new people. And by performing, I learned that it makes people forget their problems, even just for a second, and that's what I want to contribute or help them in a way I can. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am the daughter of very young. I belong to a small town called Mahur, which is a part of the Mahur district. And I am 19 years old. I am currently preparing for the NEET examination. As a typical Naga, I am sleeping. Rather than that, I love playing basketball. My aim in life is to become a doctor. Speaking specifically, I want to become a radiologist. Radiology plays a very important role in the healthcare surgery. Thank you.
My name is a proud Zeliangrong girl and your contestant number 8. Hailing from Pageant, Nagaland, originally belong to Zeliangrong village, which is located in Manipur, Zeliangrong district. I am a 19 years old girl who loves listening to music, cooking, and listening to podcasts and debates as well. I am actually very privileged to live and experience Zeliangrong community's lifestyles and ethics. As I was born in Manipur, brought up from Nagaland, and finally getting a chance to study and experience more of Zeliangrong in Assam. I am a 19 years old girl who is currently pursuing the LLB 5 years integrated course from Nehru Law College as a first semester student. Also for a 19 years old girl, I aspire to become a great criminal lawyer as it develops critical thinking and communication skills. And also for a 19 years old girl, it empowers role model, personal fulfillment, and financial stability. Aswida, Zeliangrong, Bukilao.
like to put something before I start. Excuse me. There are different types of testing mindset here. First, when singers they came up, there's the mic. Hello, check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And like guests like me, when I come up, excuse me, everybody, can you hear? And when you go to the village and there's the mic, hello. That was a lot of fun. Good evening to each and everyone present here, respected judges, and to all my dear beautiful brothers and sisters whose presence in this beautiful assembly. I myself, Contestant from Manipur, belong to Romani community. I'm contestant number 9, as you can see here. I'm 19 years old. Currently, I'm pursuing BBA management. My hobbies include such as playing football, listening music, singing songs, making fun with my friend. As we all know that a young man has so many dreams and desire to become in the future, but I decided to choose as a businessman entrepreneur. I hope you guys might like it, right? The reason why I choose behind this particular vocation is that because I have 3 points. First, I'm very passionate about being an entrepreneur. First, second is that to make a change and impact the lives of the people. Lastly, but not the least, to bring the value of the people, of the country, as well as to the world. With this short introduction, I would like to end up my introduction by giving short and sweet. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice time.
Hello people, how are you all doing? Good evening everyone. Respected judges, seniors, executive members and my dear friends all over here. I'm really thrilled to be a part of this Zeliangrong first ever freshers meet. I'm grateful to our seniors who had worked really hard for this program. Okay, let me introduce myself. I myself, I'm 20 years old. I'm currently pursuing 5 years BA LLB from JP Law College. Talking about my hobbies, I like doing gardening and spending time with plants and flowers and debates as well. Again, when it comes to my dreams, one day I dream to become one of the Judge Advocate General, which is basically known as Army lawyers. As you all know, in this generation, me being as a girl, we need to defend ourselves not by physically, but also we need to know how to speak as well. And I believe that law has the significance to change the society. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected judges, chief guests of honors, and everyone present here. I myself, as you can call me as Kilas. I'm 18 years old and I'm pursuing my HS second year, Dadala Mahabidayala College, and my hobby. Exactly, I don't have any hobby. I do what makes me happy. As my aim in life. I want to make my parents and my family proud, and I want to contribute myself in the part of Christ. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our esteemed judges and fellow contestants. I am Marcika Mirka representing the great South Lingma community from Manipur. With a background in BSc Biotechnology, but I am currently pursuing my goal or achieving my goal in banking field. You know why I choose this banking field is because I want to contribute to the economic growth and development of our people. As we humans, as we being dependent on money, everyone uses money here, right? Who doesn't go to the bank? That's why I want to contribute to the society in this way. You know, true beauty does not only lies in the outer appearance, but true beauty also lies in embracing our individuality and upholding and inspiring others from our own platform as well. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Zeliangrong, your contestant 19, hailing from the only hill station of Assam, that is Zeliangrong. And I'm currently pursuing my Masters of Science in Food Nutrition and Dietetics. In my free time, I love to listen to good crime, murder mystery or crime podcasts. I also love to read thriller books and mystery books as well. And I aspire to become a good dietitian. The reason why I chose this, I want to build good relationship between human and food as well. Good food leads to good health and good leads to good wealth. Thank you.
If you can change your mind, you can change your life. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all, respected judges, and all my dear brothers and sisters present here. Myself, Zeliangrong, contestant number 14. I come from a very beautiful village, village from Dimasa, Assam. I'm 19 years old. Talking about my hobby, I love to play guitar and I love to read. Actually, I've written a good plan, so the hiccup is coming up. Excuse me.
No problem.
Currently, I'm preparing for national eligibility entrance test. So, according to that, my aim in life is to be a doctor and auto. And I chose this profession because it's a very noble and a very respectful profession. Not only that, but in my knowledge, we Zeliangrong people are not in great numbers in this field also, as compared to other communities. So I would like to be helpful to my people and help my people being in this field. So I choose this profession. Lastly but not the least, I would like to thank Judges Lucy for giving me this opportunity, and I'm glad to be part of this program. Thank you. Thank you.
Before I introduce myself, I would like to thank to our Zeliangrong Student Union for organizing this beautiful occasion for us. I am Diana from Asal village in Mahasam. I am 21 years old. My aim in life to become a fashion designer, and in my leisure time, I love listening song, and also I love painting. Thank you.
gentlemen, respected judges, my name is Zeliangrong, 19 years old, all the way from Manipur, Zeliangrong district, and I'm currently studying in Assam Don Bosco University, Azara, pursuing a Bachelor of Commerce. And I have a lot of hobbies in my life. I love to play basketball, I love to listen to parliament debate, global issues debate, and I also do debates on platforms like Model United Nations. And my hobbies also include eating and sleeping. And then I am influenced by some businessmen and some politicians. And it is my goal and aim to become a successful businessman in the future. And the reason why I want to become a successful businessman is not only to bring growth and opportunities to my family, but to my community, Zeliangrong, and Naga as a whole. Thank you so much. Zeliangrong, Naga.
Respected judges and my dear friends, I'm candidate again, my dear contestant number 18, and I'm 22 years old. And for my hobby, I like listening to music, and I complete my Bachelor of Advanced Imaging Technology in Zeliangrong University, Germany. And currently, I'm doing my internship in GNRC 6 Mile. And I want to be a successful radiographers. Thank you. The Zeliangrong Retailer.
To start with, I call upon contestant number 1.
Contestant number 1,
Yes, sir.
how are you feeling?
I'm doing good, very nicely.
Thank you. My questions to you is, who do you think is the prominent figure among the Zeliangrong, and why do you think so?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. Once again, good evening to each and everyone. For me, a leader that I am inspired of among the Zeliangrong community would be Armstrong Palmer. Because Armstrong Palmer is the first IAS officer in Zeri community. So I get a lot of inspirations from him. And at the same time, when I was young, my dad always used to tell me about his story. And from his story, my dad used to inspire us and motivate us that no matter what comes in our life, we should always stay strong and good things will come in our lives. And at the same time, the main reason why I get more inspiration from Armstrong Palmer would be because he made a good way road in Manipur side. And that is a good example that he shows to this world today. Thank you.
If you could meet or have lunch with any person in history, who would it be and why?
This question is
Okay. If you could meet or have lunch with any person in history, who would it be and why?
Thank you for your questions, ma'am. If I could have the lunch with a prominent person, then I would say I would like Cristiano Ronaldo. If I have a dinner with him, then I'll inspire a lot of because his characters and all and his personality has inspired everyone in this world, contemporary world. And because he said that hard work will determine your future. And if you hard work or if you do and if you consistency in everything, and it will definitely lead to your success. How to deal with the present situations and even how to live in this present generations and how to face the hard work and how to embrace in one individual life. And definitely he will say everything, and I'm also inspired because of his work and character. He is very disciplined in his work, and because he also belongs to one poorest family in this world. But also because of his hard work He achieved everything. He also inspired every generation in this world. And I'm saying thank you so much. If I meet with him, then I can dance with him. Thank you so much.
Hello, contestant number 3.
Hello, sir.
Okay, my question to you is, what is the biggest problem that Zeliangrong youth face today? And you share your opinion to address that problem.
Well, thank you for the question, first of all. My question was, what do we Zeliangrong face in our life? Great. Okay.
The problem or challenges that faced by the Zeliangrong youth.
Okay. Well, first of all, as a boy, the girls are too beautiful, Zeliangrong girls. It distracts us. Even right here, I'm standing here, I'm feeling shy because of all the girls. Second thing, sports for boys. As a boys, we tend to focus on football. We forget our men role in life. And then that's all. Thank you.
Hello. Okay, it will be a very interesting question. Who do you think is more powerful, man or woman?
Woman.
I think men and women are both equally powerful. Not every men are mentally strong, and some men are mentally weak, and even women. Not every woman is mentally strong, and not every woman is mentally weak. Every individuals are different. They have their own unique. They have their own unique. What are actually strong and powerful.
What is your opinion about social media? Do you think social media is bringing people together or causing separation?
Well, in my opinion, social media is the uses of social media depends on the person itself. Each person has different ways of using social media, either improving oneself or wasting his own career, his life. And yeah, social media is, we can't say social media is a bad thing because through social media people connect with each other. People in distant places connect with one another. And yeah, through for their works, for their activities and everything else, social media is a very important part in our life. So that's what I would say. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 6, please.
Action! Rizzo! Yes, President! Yes! Our President!
So my question will be, in 5 years, where do you see yourself?
Good evening once again. First of all, I would like to start with my personality, or shall I say, my early life, because I'm a girl who is, ready to face any challenges in life. So I don't want to fix my plan or have a plan for life, saying that I will do that and have a fixed career. But I'm a girl who loves challenges, who loves facing challenges. So for me, in 5 years, I will go wherever the future takes me. I will not focus only on one thing because I want to experience everything in life, and that's who I am. But for sure, I know that if I to be doing something in 5 years, I will be encouraging women to empower themselves, to know their worth, to not be foolish, to make a wise decision, and that's my answer. Thank you.
Thank you, 6. I now invite upon contestant number 7.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Very good evening. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous.
Who is the most inspiring person in your life and why?
Thank you very much for the question, sir. The most inspiring person in my life is my dad. Here. He has sacrificed each and everything for me and the family. He has done all the possibilities. He has done all the hard work to give us a beautiful life. That's all.
Contestant number 8. If you had a chance to discuss a social issue with the world leaders, what issue would you choose and why?
Thank you for the question. First thing which I would decide with the world leader would be to bring back world peace. You see, there are many problems going around. Waking up, it breaks my heart to see killing of. Waking up, it breaks my heart to see many criminals going on and cases that are going around the world. And so, if I had a chance to speak with one leader, with world leader, I would definitely speak about world peace by negotiating and understanding the problems, root cause of the problem that is going around within the two nations by negotiating and focusing on dialogues. Thank you.
We have contestant number 9.
Good evening, dear beautiful sons, especially dear sir, and to all my dear gentlemen. I'm here again.
Okay, my question to you is, what do you think is more important, money or health?
Thank you for your question, sir. I hope the gentlemen might enjoy the question, right? Even myself also interesting to give this answer. Okay, for myself, I will choose as health because health is the most important thing in our life. Even though you have so many money, you have so many money, but if you didn't have a good health, you might die before you finish your money, right? So, I would say health is very important. With this, I would like to conclude by giving short and sweet. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 10. If you could go back in time, what advice would you give to your younger self?
Thank you for this beautiful question. For me, I don't want to go back to my younger self because my parents, they provide me everything that I need. That I don't want to go back. From day one, I'm enjoying my life.
My question to you is, what is your thought on global warming?
Thank you for your question.
And the second part of the question is, how would you do your bit to mitigate it?
Thank you for your question, sir. According to me, global warming, based on scientific term, global warming, we would define global warming as the warming of the Earth. It is caused by CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, and it is also known as greenhouse gases. And these greenhouse gases are all formed by carbon, use of carbon, and the pollution and all that. So this global warming, it cannot be helped because we are utilizing resources every day. But still with minimum use and also
also by reducing the uses, for example, by bringing up social activities, by giving awareness to the people about the cause of global warming, if not by educating the youth about global warming. That way, we can reduce global warming. And that other causes of global warming is the depletion of ozone layer. Every year by year, the ozone layer is getting thinner and thinner. And during winter, the ozone layer gets thinner, even more thinner than when it was in summer. So, according to me, global warming can be reduced by ourselves, we humans. The future belongs to us. So we are responsible for this. So we must bring up any type of awareness, any type of activities, education, even to the younger generations, so that the future generation will have the benefit of what we are having now. Thank you.
Okay, my question will be, do you think men and women are given equal opportunity in life? State your opinion.
Men and women have given an equal opportunity because women also did what all they want, right? And men also do what all they want, so they are all equal and there is no difference between men and women. Thank you.
Who, according to you, is a successful person?
If we say individually, we have different perspectives in successful people. But for me, as a successful person, I won't tell about any individual person and I'll say that he is successful. But for me, a successful person is someone who is happy with his family, provides what's needed for his family, and lives a happy life. Like a person who is wealthy, but still he come home and he doesn't have a loving family, then there is no use of being wealthy and being famous in every around or in around the world. So for me, a successful person is who is someone who has a loving home, who has a loving family, who gets united when they need it, when they need help, when they sick, or when they get sick and when they sick. Emotional strength, and so for me, a person who has a loving family and their siblings who can help them, then for me he is a successful person.
If you will rank wealth, health and family according to importance, how will you rank them?
Thank you so much for the question. So, as for my opinion, I will put my family first, and then comes health, and then comes wealth. Because with all the wealth in the world, if you don't have health, there's no point. And with all the health in the world as well, if you don't have anyone to cherish along, I think that's pointless as well. So, my family will always be my priority, and I'll always be home, and my family is my home. Thank you so much.
Contestant number 16.
If you were drawn as Mr. Zeliangrong 2024 tonight, what would you do with the guest prize?
You pick one of the quizzes in my if I win this tonight, then the first thing I would want to do is help the balance and with what pay my semester fees. And I feel that is how I will help my balance.
Thank you. Contestant number 17. What makes you stand out from the rest of the contestants and why?
Well, I think my confidence and my passion stands out. Believe in myself and be true to myself. And my passion shows genuine enthusiasm. Thank you.
is number 8 is contestant number 6.
Zeliangrong bid 2024 or Mr. Zeliangrong. What is your vision for the future of Zeliangrong community? Now, the contestant number 6 will begin.
Good evening once again. So for me, if I win this title, I will firstly encourage women to be, focus on their goals, not to think about what others people say, and the same goes to the men. And secondly, if I win this crown, I will encourage the mothers and fathers and grandparents of Zeliangrong to encourage their children, because there are so many talented people where people tend to feel discouraged because of just their words or discouragement of their parents. And lastly, I would like to say, if I ever win this, I will also tell the people, youngsters who are coming up, to not care about their physical appearance, because when you have talent, talent is your beauty. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the question. I have a lot of vision for my people, but before I share my vision, if I win this title tonight, the first thing I'll do is go and eat food. Because I'm extremely hungry right now. But my vision for my people would be, first, I would encourage my people to be very punctual. Because today, the example which I would like to give is we are asked to come at 7th. But after reaching 7th, after reaching this venue, it delayed so much that we had to wait for many hours, and that is very discouraging for me, myself, and for my people to see that. And second thing, I would also like to say for the people who didn't participate today, because I know that there are lots of youths like me who is a fresher to this Guwahati, but lagging behind because of their lack of confidence. And I would like to encourage themselves to take part as well. Beauty isn't just which is required in pageant. And also last thing for the girls as well. There is one goal saying which is said by Priyanka: good girls don't make history, bold girls make history. Thank you.
Hi everyone, once again. Thank you for the question. My vision for the people of Zeliangrong, that is us. I won't say much, but for my younger ones and my dear brothers and sisters present here to everyone, as I've said earlier, I'm currently preparing myself for NEET exam. So I will suggest that please focus on time management, because I've been going through so much of work pressure and so much of stuff. So studies and all, meeting studies, social life, and here I am, I'm again here. So you should manage your time properly, because I've been struggling to manage my time. Time management is, you need to do time management. Time management is the most important thing to be successful.
Sorry for interruption. Are you clear with the question that was asked?
Sir, you asked to what's the vision?
If you were crowned Mr. Zeliangrong tonight, what is your vision for the Zeliangrong community?
Sorry, sir, I didn't. Okay, if I will be the fresher here for tonight, Zeliangrong fresher, my vision will be like, be confident. When I was doing my introduction, I was a bit nervous, as you have all seen me. But now here I am standing confidently. I don't feel any nervous, because whoever hasn't stand up here or whoever has stand up and having reached here, I'll say to all that don't lose your confidence. Your confidence is a must. Now, I'm standing here and I'm not feeling any nervousness. I'm smiling and I'm telling everyone everything what's coming out in my mind. So I'll just say that be confident and don't lose hope. Just stand up and use God. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm really happy to get this kind of platform, especially for my own community, Zeliangrong. If I am crowned the Mr. Freshers tonight, I have a lot of visions inside my head right now. And the first thing I would want to tell my Zeliangrong community, the youth, is that love yourself first. And then after that, I would ask the youth to take part in such kind of platforms, because this will develop your skills, this will develop your critical thinking, this will develop your decision makings. Nowadays, we have seen a lot of youth with a lot of CGPA, yet they are not reaching anywhere. Why? It is because of the skills. It is because we are lacking in the skills. So this is the best platform where you can build up your skills and critical thinking. And this is the message I want to convey to my community. Thank you so much. Zeliangrong, we can.
Thank you so much for the question. So, if I was being crowned as the title of Miss Zeliangrong 2024, first of all, I'd like to give you a message and be confident. Today I'm standing here because of my friend. Don't let it happen again in future. Be yourself. Don't let your beauty define you. Your beauty is within you. Your intelligence and your confidence will take you so much farther than you can imagine. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the question, sir. See, I am only 19 years of age, so with this age, even if I win the crown, by actions I will not be able to transform anything right now. But whatever I have experienced in my life, by standing in front of the stage, in front of the public, I will try to motivate the upcoming youth with my experience and will guide them also. And at the same time, I will try to give a good messages for the public and transform that messages into actions in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone again. My vision, if I were to be crowned Mr. Freshers this very evening, I would encourage my younger generation, the younger ones, my younger brothers, my younger sisters, for not because of my pride or anything, but for I am also a very introvert person. I'm really thankful for giving me this platform to stand in front of all of you to share my thoughts and everything. If I were to be crowned, I would really encourage, because many of the youngsters these days, they are not socializing with their own people, there's no unity among them. They don't socialize, they don't go out, they stay at home. That's the reason why we Zeliangrong are not growing much compared to the other tribes in my state, Nagaland, and maybe in Manipur and Assam as well. So I want to be a role model to them, so that they may look up to me as a brother, as an awesome brother who is being crowned Mr. Freshers, Mr. Zeliangrong this very evening. I want to be a hero to them, so that they may look up to me and follow my examples and be a future for the Zeliangrong. Thank you so much.
If I win the show tonight, I will be crowned by the grace of God, one of the Mr. Zeliangrong. And I will set up a milestone for the upcoming youths that one can achieve many things, doing and particular works. And for my vision for the Zeliangrong people, I will say that we Zeliangrong have a bright future. We Zeliangrong are developing, and we Zeliangrong are not more less than any other tribe. It's just that we need to focus, we need to hard work, because we are still working and not develop like others. We need to pay attention on our studies and do everything we could, since our parents are affording us everything here. Thank you.
Any guesses for the second runner-up?
Contestant number. Give it up for first runner-up. Congratulations. Now, Mr. Zeliangrong 2024 is contestant number